Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to derive movement generating function and characteristic function of a Gaussian random variable. So the random variable capital X is a Gaussian random variable. The movement generating function of the random variable is given by mx of t is equal expectation of e power tx. So which is equal to integral a to b e power tx into fx of x dx. So fx of x is the Gaussian probability density function of the random variable. That expression is 1 by square root of 2 pi sigma square e power minus of x minus m whole square by 2 sigma square dx. So this exponential term is arranged as e power minus of x minus m by sigma whole square by 2. So let x minus m by sigma is considered as the u. So take the cross multiplication, x is equal to sigma u plus m. So differentiating with respect to u, dx is equal to sigma into du. So now here on RHS side of this equation, x ranges are minus infinity to plus infinity. Here we are considering x minus m sigma is equal to u. So the ranges of u. So in this equation, substitute x is equal to minus infinity and x is equal to plus infinity. Then the ranges of u also minus infinity to plus infinity. And substitute all these considerations into RHS term of this equation, we get movement generating function mx of t is equal 1 by square root of 2 pi sigma integral minus infinity to infinity e power t x is sigma u plus u into e power minus u square by 2 dx is sigma into du. So numerator and denominator sigma is the cancel. So this exponential term and this exponential term is written as single exponential term, that is mx of t is equal 1 by square root of 2 pi integral minus infinity to infinity e power mt plus sigma ut minus u square by 2 du. In the power of exponential term, the second term is arranged as written as 2u into sigma t by 2. So in the second term multiplying numerator and denominator by 2, we have integral minus infinity to infinity e power mt plus 2u sigma t by 2 minus u square by 2 du. So now here u square 2 into sigma t is there. So in this exponential term, by adding and subtracting sigma square t square by 2, adding and subtracting sigma square t square by 2. So therefore mx of t is equal 1 by square root of 2 pi integral minus infinity to infinity e power mt plus e power 2u sigma t by 2 minus u square by 2, adding and subtracting minus sigma square t square by 2 plus sigma square t square by 2 du. So therefore this exponential term is arranged as e power mt into e power sigma square t square by 2 into e power, take the common minus of u square plus sigma square t square minus 2u sigma t by 2. So u square plus sigma square t square minus 2u sigma t is written as u minus sigma t whole square. So therefore mx of t is equal 1 by square root of 2 pi integral minus infinity to infinity e power mt plus sigma square t square by 2 into e power minus of u minus sigma t whole square by 2 into du. Let u minus sigma t is considered as a p. So differentiate with respect to p, du is equal to dp. So therefore mx of t is equal 1 by square root of 2 pi e power mt plus sigma square t square by 2 into integral minus infinity to infinity e power minus p square by 2 du. So 1 by square root of 2 pi integral minus infinity to infinity e power minus p square by 2 du is the area enclosed by the Gaussian density function of the random variable, which value is equal to unity. So therefore mx of t is equal e power mt plus sigma square t square by 2. So this value is equal to area enclosed by the Gaussian random variable. That value is equal to 1. So this is the final expression of the movement generating function of the Gaussian random variable. Next, derive the characteristic function of a Gaussian random variable. In this movement generating function expression, substitute small t is equal to j omega, we get characteristic function of the Gaussian random variable x. Substitute t is equal to j omega, we get the characteristic function pi x of omega is equal e power m into j omega plus sigma into j omega whole square. So j square value is minus 1. So plus into minus sigma square omega square by 2. So this is the expression of the characteristic function of a Gaussian random variable.